Welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to display a text component in SwiftUI for a native iOS application. So here, as you can see on the output on simulator, I am displaying a text like this. I know this is a very basic tutorial, but a lot of people on my channel are cross-platform mobile app developers, so for them I am making this video. So firstly, here you can see I'm using the text component. So just create a SwiftUI application for iOS, and I'm creating a text component, and here I have applied some padding. So if you want to apply just padding on the top side, you can use padding dot top 10, but if you want to apply it horizontally, you can use something like this. If you want to apply it on all the side like the same padding, you can use something like this as well, padding 20. Okay, now here you can see that I have applying this foreground style, which means foreground color. Like there is something called foreground color as well, but that is deprecated, so use foreground style. And here I am passing a color of my yellow. So if you go to assets, here you can see I have created a color called my yellow. If you want to know how to create an assets, just right click, new color set, give some name, and just pick over here, and here you can modify it depending on what color you want to have. So don't give it a name as yellow, because that coincides with the system color and you will get a lot of warnings. That's why I have named it as my yellow, or give some good name. And here again I have applied some padding. Then to apply a border, you can use border, and you can use something like this for color, or you can just use dot red. If the color is not, if it is a like default color, then you can use something like dot red, dot yellow, something like that. But if it is a very different color, then you might want to generate color set using this. And I have applied a width of 4. Then for background, again you can use either dot, or you can specify your own color. I have specified my own color of my cyan. And for clip shape, if you want to have a rounded rectangular border, you can use rounded rectangle, corner radius, give some corner radius. And to apply font, firstly what you will have to do is you will have to create a folder like fonts. You can, if you don't want to create a folder, that's fine as well. Just drag and drop your fonts to Xcode, but make sure this checkbox is checked, target membership is checked. Then you will have to go to your app, you will have to select targets, go to info.plist. Here you will have to add fonts provided by application, so this one. And inside item 0 you will have to write the name of your font. So I'll just minimize this. So here you can see this is the name of my font. So you will have to do something like this, and then you can use it like this: font.custom, Pacifico dash regular, and you can define a size as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.